Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to download free PDFs of books online. So first you look up on Google, Oceans of PDF. And the first link that shows you, click on that. This is a legal website where you can download any book if it's available. So for example, in the this search bar over here, you can look up authors or book, but I'm just going to look up The Hunger. No, actually, I already have that downloaded. So, Divergent. Let's do that one because I didn't download that one yet. And there we have Divergent. And if it is available, it will be like this. It will give you like this little blurb and all. And then at the bottom here, you can either download the PDF or the EPUB. I usually go for PDF. So. And then it comes to like this link over here, and you give it some time, and down here something will pop up right there, which means it is downloading. And there we go, and your book is downloaded. Woo! So it's the whole book. I don't know why this is smaller. I guess you can make it bigger, or you can make it smaller, but I usually like my text bigger. And this is actually not the only book you can download. There are so many books you can download. I'll show you some of the ones I already downloaded. So I downloaded Empress of 1,000 Skis, Skies, whatever, Matched, Life as You Knew It, and all these books. I'll show you what they look like. And they're pretty impressive, and it's really nice. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.